Hello everyone, this is IT336Unit3 recording update. I realized after I did the video last night that I did not address using the table versus the report or the references. So first I wanted to go back over copying and pasting the table. So if you copy and paste the table into Word, you can go to the Layout tab and adjust the margins to narrow. That'll expand the table this way. And as you fill it in, it will expand onto more than one page, which is fine. Then if you go to the Insert tab, you can insert a page break for your references. Now, I recommend turning on the paragraph mark, which is right here, and then you see your paragraph mark. You just put your cursor there, go to the Insert tab, insert a page break. That will give you a page to put your references on. So as you type, that page will just keep on moving on, and the table will expand as you fill it in. And I didn't really clearly discuss the tools and resources, so you have to choose 3 questions regarding security that you're going to ask. Then in the tools and resource section, put what you're going to search for. So for instance, in our scenario that I talked about last night, if we're doing a website development and we've asked what needs to be protected, you could search for something like security issues in website development or something like that. You would write that search here. When you found an article that you felt addressed the question, put your in-text citation next to your search phrase, and then put your full reference on the reference page. Remember, references need to have the title references be double-spaced and have a hanging indent. Now, once you've done that, so let me go to the next page. So you can use the table if you want, or you can write a 3 to 4 page report. I thought it would be easier to do the table. It makes it easier for me to see your questions and how you're searching for your report, and then look at your references. If you do a 3 to 4 page report, that's fine. Just make sure, let's go back. Make sure that you list the phase that you're talking about, the 3 questions, and the sources that you found. So you could say, I searched for security within a website development and found this resource. Put your in-text citation and your reference at the bottom. I need to be able to see what your 3 questions are and what you did to resolve those questions. Okay, so for that section, you can list what you would search for. Now, sometimes you might find in your search a resource that answers all 3. It addresses all 3 questions, and that, or even 2 of the questions, and that's fine as long as you state that this resource addresses all 3 questions. You would not need to keep searching. And then you've addressed each question. You have a resource. The full reference or resource is listed on the reference page, and that seems to be the easier way to do it. Now, if you do a 3-page report, you're going to have to do a lot more explaining, but I have to be able to find that the phase that you're on, the questions that you ask, and how you found resources to address those questions. And I don't want to have to be searching and trying to figure out what you're talking about, which phase you're on, which questions you ask, and that kind of thing. So it's up to you. If you have any questions, please let me know.